move on to Npp for more flag bearership race. Some of the candidates news are back from our camp, starting with Kennedy Japan. Kennedy Japan, why Charles Bisu, Abusia, why campaign administrator. So anything be any issue be it will pass through Charles Bisu and then before they get it to Kennedy Japan. No more be some strategies in the can be as I say Charles Bisu and in charge. So Mr. Charles, if there's a media he can hook me up. But I'm scared of my mini wife. God knows that. So yeah, Charles Bisu new position. No. When it comes to honorable Adu Chuma, all don't forget to. I know question Japan now. The more we waste time, baby. But because they're not going to win, so member home this time around. But we are not so much. But Brian Champon, I can't say I think that Brian Champon is taking a piece. Brian Champon said right now today, if the elections, elections, and then now. He will win 70% of Greater Accra region. Yeah.
We are for the good ones. We are polling about 75–80%. I think that what we have seen was one which was lower 50%. And those were just 2 constituencies out of the 34. And everything else that we have polled has been above 70%.
Brian. You see, I know so popular, but you can't Ghana, you never be a most popular pan Eastern region. And you're Greater Accra. And if you are saying it's a Greater Accra people who vote 70% overwhelmingly for just Brian Champon, that's crazy.
In Greater Accra, all the polls that we have conducted, and I'll be happy to share some of the constituencies with you after this, so you understand the kind of questions we ask and the answers we get and how we're able to predict that we're going to do well in these constituencies. We are, for the good ones, we are polling about 75–80%.
But, ordinary data. Now we had the polls, what do various, analytics, online in the kind. Brian Champon we graph now, but we are mostly now Odika and then Kennedy Japan and then Brian Champon and then Aduchum and then Kennedy Japan. And Brian Champon say, who some of those polls, if you all cry a man 1%, but I am necessary. So or no actively or campaign on the constituencies I hold or delegates I hold also. Or no grammar pegging at 1%. No be or done it 1 more 20%. It doesn't make sense. So man for focus be on the data in the polls na ekokoso. But when him say if elections say 70% Greater Accra, so you can imagine.
I mean, I've seen some polls that put me at 1%, and some aspirants who are not even going, who have not left their bedrooms at 20%. And it's quite interesting, some of these polls. So please, I'm not concerned about that at all.
And I know worried about Bakuni as I think a petting penny for so mono 17 per move in Shadan North to me more moon basically near one but a NIMSA as compared to the 250,000 delegates no mumbe to Abano. So a focus and yet the 17 the 17 for any shedding because when it comes to this about I will be our 1 vote. So if you focus on the 17 you are not focusing much on the positive. And I think it's all cancer because at the 17 they are mostly behind Baumia.
The national executives themselves, they are, 17 out of 250,000. I'm a member of parliament. I've been around this party for a long time, and I know the influence of these people on the product delegates. It's going to be, I'm hoping, it's going to be free and fair. I mean, I'm particularly not worried about any influence of any establishment. I'm running a solid campaign.
So,